How much should you actually spend on a clothes rack? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Hisee Double Rods Clothes Rack. Priced at $37.99, it caught my eye with its sleek design and sturdy build. If you want a flexible storage solution that can handle a lot of clothes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This rack features double rods, which means you can hang longer dresses above and shorter items below, maximizing your storage. It can hold up to 210 pounds of weight, so whether it's winter coats or summer dresses, you won't have to worry about it bending or breaking. Plus, with its 360-degree swivel wheels, moving it around your space is a breeze, and the lockable casters keep it in place when needed. Now, some people complained about the assembly taking a bit longer than expected. Here's the thing though, it's worth it for the sturdiness and the amount of clothes you can store. If you're someone who frequently changes outfits or needs a mobile wardrobe, this one fits the bill. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile rack for a busy household. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact, but honestly, for the price, it's a solid investment. Product number 2, Sakugi Heavy Duty Rack. The Sakugi Clothes Rack, which comes in at just $19.99. Right away, I was drawn to its heavy-duty construction and sleek block design. If you're on a budget but need something reliable, this is definitely worth a look. The Sakugi rack supports up to 82 pounds and can hold about 33 garments, making it perfect for those of you with a lot of clothes to organize. The mesh shelf at the bottom adds extra storage for shoes or bags, so you're getting more bang for your buck. Plus, it's easy to move with its 360-degree casters, which lock into place when you need stability. Some users mentioned the rack wobbling a bit with heavy coats, but honestly, at this price point, it's still a great deal, especially if you're not overloading it. It's ideal for those who want a simple, effective solution without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you need something sturdy yet affordable. Skip this one if you have a lot of heavy winter gear, but if you're looking for a casual storage option, this is great. Product number 3, Amazon Basics Drying Rack. We have the Amazon Basics Foldable Portable Clothes Drying Rack. It's a bit different, priced around $34.99, but it really caught my attention for indoor drying. If you're tired of damp clothes taking forever to dry, this could be just what you need. This rack is designed for air drying, which helps your clothes last longer and reduces energy costs. It's made of lightweight steel and can support up to 32 pounds. The accordion-style design folds flat, making it easy to store when not in use. This means you can save space while still having an effective drying solution. Some users found it a bit flimsy when fully loaded. Here's the thing though, it works best for lighter items like t-shirts and socks, so if you're drying heavier items, it's not the best fit. Otherwise, it's super convenient for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment and need a compact drying solution. Skip this one if you have a lot of heavy laundry to air dry, but it's a great buy for lighter garments. Product number 4, Hisee Double Rods Rolling Rack. We have another option from Hisee, their Double Rods Rolling Clothing Rack. Again, priced at $37.99. This one really surprised me with its capacity to hold a whopping 240 pounds. This rack's dual bar design not only organizes her clothes, but also provides ample hanging space for various garments. The bottom bar is perfect for shoes or storage bins, so you're maximizing your space effectively. Plus, the assembly takes just about 8 minutes, which is a huge plus if you're not into complicated setups. Some users mentioned that it can take a bit of effort to roll it over carpet. Here's the thing though, once you get it on a hard surface, it moves incredibly smoothly. If you have a mix of heavy winter clothes and lighter items, this rack can handle it all. This is perfect for you if you need a high-capacity solution that's easy to move around. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically designed for lightweight garments, but honestly, it's a fantastic option. Product number 5, Hisee Portable Wardrobe Rack. We have another Hisee Portable Wardrobe Rack for $34.99. The first thing that stood out was its 63.8-inch height, allowing you to hang everything from tops to long dresses without any hassle. This rack is built with reinforced steel and can support up to 180 pounds. The 360-degree wheels make it super easy to reposition, and the lockable wheels ensure it stays put. If you're looking to declutter your space, this rack offers a sturdy and practical solution. Some users found it tricky to assemble initially. However, the straightforward design and clear instructions really help simplify that process. If you need a reliable storage solution that doesn't wobble, you're going to appreciate this one. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy, tall option for a diverse wardrobe. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact, but given its features, it offers great value for money.
We've looked at 5 great clothes racks. The Hiseisei Double Rods Rack is fantastic for flexibility, while the Sakugi offers excellent value. The Amazon Basics Drying Rack is ideal for air drying, and the Hiseisei Double Rods Rolling Rack provides high capacity. Finally, the Hiseisei Portable Wardrobe is great for larger garments. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.